Ever wondered how you could transform a treasure trove of PLR content into captivating videos with ease and efficiency? Well, the answer lies in the power of a groundbreaking tool, InVideo.ai. Welcome to another insightful journey into the realm of content creation. Today, the spotlight shines on two intriguing aspects: PLR, private label rights, and InVideo.ai. So, buckle up and prepare to unravel the mystery behind these two powerful tools. Private label rights, commonly known as PLR, is a license where the author sells most or all of the intellectual property rights to their work. This unique license grants you the liberty to modify, rebrand, and use the content as your own. It's like having a ghostwriter who gives you complete control over the content they provide. PLR content is a hidden gem within the content creation space. It offers a plethora of benefits. It saves you time and effort, provides a solid foundation for your content, and allows for flexibility to tailor the content to your audience. With PLR, you can focus on enhancing the content rather than starting from scratch. But how does InVideo.ai fit into this picture? Well, that's where the magic happens. Enter InVideo.ai, a revolutionary tool designed to transform your content creation process. With its intuitive interface and robust features, InVideo.ai empowers you to turn your PLR content into engaging videos. It's like having a professional video editing team at your disposal. Imagine importing your PLR content into InVideo.ai, choosing the perfect template, and watching your content come alive in an engaging video. It's that simple. With InVideo.ai, you're not just creating videos. You're telling stories that resonate with your audience. In summary, PLR content and InVideo.ai are powerful tools that can elevate your content creation process. PLR content gives you a strong foundation, and InVideo.ai helps you transform that foundation into captivating videos. So, why wait? Unleash the power of PLR content with InVideo.ai and create content that truly stands out. Let's put what we've learned into practice. One of the PLR products you can easily transform into an engaging video is an ebook titled Secret to Affiliate Marketing. This ebook provides valuable insights into the world of affiliate marketing, including key strategies and secret tips from industry experts. Now imagine transforming this wealth of information into an engaging video with InVideo.ai. With its user-friendly interface and a plethora of customization options, you can turn this ebook into an interactive video that not only informs, but also entertains your audience, setting you on the path to success in affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless with InVideo.ai and PLR content. Moving forward, let's explore another PLR product that can be turned into an engaging video. Consider an ebook titled Facebook Integration with Selar. This resource provides key insights into seamlessly integrating Facebook with Selar, a renowned e-commerce platform. It's packed with step-by-step instructions, expert advice, and secret tips from industry leaders. Just like before, you can utilize InVideo.ai to convert this ebook into a captivating video. By doing so, you create a dynamic interactive resource that not only educates, but also entertains your audience. Such a tool can significantly enhance your e-commerce journey. Remember, with PLR content and InVideo.ai, your creative possibilities are truly limitless.